Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Excel Ankush Boost Your Existing Skills. Friend, today we will learn how we can convert our colorful image into black and white image in a simple way. So I will tell you two methods and both methods is really very easy and simple, and quickly you can convert any type of colorful image into black and white one. So how we can do that? Let's see. So method one is basically open your image, go to the image menu, select mode and switch your mode into grayscale and click on the discard option. Let's see, your colorful image is converted into a black and white one. Our second method is go to image menu again, click on the adjustments and select hue and saturations. When you click on the hue and saturations, it shows three channels. One is hue, another one is saturation, another one is lightness. So just select saturation head and go to -100 and click on OK. So these two methods you can use to change your colorful image into black and white one. So it's very easy and simple, and you can convert any type of image like background image, a person image, a logo image, or whatever image you have in a colorful mode. You can directly convert these two methods to apply in a image and convert directly into a black and white one. So I hope you will enjoy to do this, and let's try on your system, on your photo. And if you have any doubt, just put your comment inside the comment section and we will provide a great solution to you. So thank you very much for watching. Happy learning.